This has to be one of the best views in Red Rock Country Club.
With over $370,000 in recent renovations, sweeping views of the golf course and mountains, and a backyard that feels like your own private resort, this is a property you don't want to miss. Welcome to 1975 Alcova Ridge, located in the 24-hour guard-gated community of Red Rock Country Club. Let's head inside.
The upgrades in this home truly make it feel more spacious and bright, from the large format tile and wall treatments to the updated lighting and countertops.
The layout of the main level makes everyday living and entertaining effortless. Whether you're greeting guests in the living room, hosting dinner in the formal dining room, watching a movie in the family room, that linear fireplace is new, by the way, or gathering in the den for game night.
Take a look at this kitchen. The island has been completely updated with quartz countertops and modern waterfall edges. You also have a suite of Viking Professional appliances for all of your cooking needs. Bon appetit!
Right next to the kitchen, you can enjoy your morning coffee with a view, or head through the butler's pantry for dinner in the formal dining room.
Here behind the second tee of the Arroyo golf course, you don't have to worry about golf balls in your backyard. It is the perfect place to relax, with an infinity edge pool, a spa shaded by a palapa, and a covered patio with sunshades.
When it's time to unwind, the upper-level owner's suite is your personal retreat. Amenities include a view balcony, a new freestanding bathtub, a large shower with body jets, and a generous closet with a valet. 4 additional bedrooms complete this home, plus an office with full built-ins. The guard-gated community of Red Rock Country Club features 2 challenging Arnold Palmer-designed golf courses, the private mountain course and the public Arroyo course. Choose from a variety of membership tiers to suit your lifestyle needs, whether that means dining at the clubhouse, playing tennis or pickleball, using the fitness center and pool, enjoying full golf privileges, or all of the above. Less than a mile away, discover incredible shopping and dining at downtown Summerlin, home of City National Arena, the Las Vegas Ballpark, and a new Whole Foods market. Or take a quick drive to Red Rock Canyon for a scenic hike.
The stunning renovations in this home, and of course, the view, deserve to be seen in person. Contact us to schedule your private tour of 1975 Alcova Ridge.